Welcome to the Codevthspan YouTube channel. In this lecture we are going to discuss an operators. Operators is nothing but operators are the symbols which is used to perform the specific operations. See here, operators are symbols which is used to perform some specific operation on operands. Specific operation on operands. For example, see here, for example 3 plus 4. Here plus is an operator and 3 and 4 are the operands. Here by using the plus operator we can perform the addition, which means operator is a symbol which is used to perform the task on operands, then it will use the result. This is all about operator, and we have many types of operators like arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, assignment operator, increment operator, decrement operator. In further classes we will discuss all these types of operators. Firstly we will lead with the arithmetic operator. See here, firstly we will see arithmetic operator. In arithmetic operators it will comes under plus, minus, divided by, multiplication and the modulo. First we will discuss the plus. Plus will act as two ways. The first one will perform the addition and the second one will perform the concatenation. Concatenation is nothing but merging. See here, plus operator which accepts the two operands. For example 3 plus 4, it is an one operand and it is an one operand. It performs the addition and it gives the 7. Here these two operands are numbers, so it will perform addition. If one of the operand is string, for example Sita plus 7, here Sita is an string. So when one operand is string and other operand is number, or two operands are string, then it will perform concatenation. It means merging of two operands will be the result. See here, in the next slide we will see the examples. For example, here when we pass the 5 plus 10, then the compiler checks the syntax. 5 plus 10, the syntax is correct. Then it will goes to the JVM. Then JVM print the output as 15. Next, 2.5 plus 10. It will goes to the compiler. Here 2.5 is an decimal point, which means double, and 10 is an integer. So see here, it is an double and it is an integer. So when it passes to the compiler it checks the syntax. But here one operand is an double data type and another operand is an integer data type. So we have to convert this into only one data type. So we have to perform the typecasting. So here we have to convert the smaller data type to the larger data type. So it means it is an auto winding, as we discussed earlier. Auto winding, which means if developer fails to write the typecast operator, compiler will write. So here we will get the output as 2.5 plus, then the compiler will add typecast operator, right? Then here compiler will add typecast operator like double. Then 10 we will get as 10.0. Then output will be 12.5. Then see, this is which place acts as an addition. Then if we pass 5 plus Java, here one data type will be the integer and another data type will be the string. So we will get as 5 Java. If it is Rita plus Sita, then we will get the output as Rita Sita. This is the plus operator. Then we will going to discuss the minus operator. Minus operator, which is nothing but acts as an subtraction. Operand 1 minus operand 2, it gives the result. This is the minus operator. See here, 15 minus 5, we will get the result as 10. But only the addition performs addition and as well as a concatenation, but minus does not perform concatenation. For example, we will pass 10 minus 5. Here 10 is an integer. Here 5 is also integer, but we have enclosed it with the double quotes, then it acts as a string. So when we will doing the subtraction from integer minus string, then we will get the compile time error. Here the compile time error we will get. Even we perform Java minus number 10 is also, we will get the compile time error, because for performing the subtraction, two operands should be the same data type, either auto winding takes place. Only these two conditions will be satisfied. And coming to the multiplication, as we know, which performs a multiplication on the two operands, operand 1 into operand 2, which results see here, 5 sevens are 35, 5 into 10, 50. But here when we pass the string, as we know, we will get the compile time error. Then divided by operator means operand by operand is equals to result. See here, 10 by 2, we will get 5. 100 by 7, we will get the 14. Decimal point will be the neglected here. And the next one is the modulus. Operand 1 module operand 2 is equals to result, which means we will get the remainder. For example, 10 divided by 2 is equals to, actually what we will get, see here, 2 divided by 10, 2 5s are 10, yet the remainder will be 0. So the modulus which gets the result as a remainder. So 10 modulus 2 is equals to 0. This is the arithmetic operators. Now we will see the execution of these arithmetic operators. Execution part. See here, as we discussed earlier, if two operands are numbers, then we will perform the addition. See, 5 plus 10, then we will get a 15. In the next line, 5 plus 10. 10 is a string because we are enclosed with the double quotes. So we will get output as 510. Then we will see same system.out.println, but I am writing here both are strings. 5 is also a string and 10 is also a string. Just wait a minute. See here. Then we will get 510. See, when two operands are numbers, it will do addition operation. When if one operand is in string, then it will do the concatenation. Then let's we see the minus 15 minus 10 we will do. 15 minus 10, as we expected output is 5. Next, five into 10. What will be our expected output? 50. Next, 10 divided by 2. What our expected output? 5. Then 10 modulus 5. What our expected output will be? 0, because it stores the remainder, right? 10 modulus 5. Then our expected output will be the 0. Now we will run the code and we will get the output same as what we expected. Just wait for the 2 seconds. Yeah, see, we will get the output same as we expected. 15 minus 10, we will get 5. 5 into 10, we will get 50. 10 by 2, we will get 5. 10 divided by 5, we will get 0, which is a remainder. In multiplication, division, modulus and the subtraction, it does not perform the concatenation. If we perform one operand as a string, then we will get the compile time error. This is all about the arithmetic operator. Thank you.